Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to scan QR code on Temu application. Temu application right now doesn't have the feature of scanning QR code. But if you have any referral codes or any other codes sent by your friends or you found on any other website, then you can use it on Temu. For that, open your Temu application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your Temu account. Now here you'll be taken to home. Now tap on You on the down. Then here you'll be able to find coupons and offers option. Tap on coupons and offers. Now here you need to enter the referral code that you have found on the given box. After you do so, you need to tap on apply option on the side. With this, now you'll be able to apply that code. This is how we can apply code on Temu. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.